Well, folks. Welcome to part 3 of the Yamaha Blaster project. Now, in the last video, we made quite a bit of progress. We pulled the motor from the quad, which is right behind me. We also pressure washed the quad, gave it a good bath, and since then, I've done quite a bit of cleaning on it. I didn't record any of that just because I didn't feel like it. I just wanted to clean it. I'll give you all a little rundown of it real quick. All right, so here's what we're working with on the frame. I got the tire off right now because I was cleaning it. I didn't finish this side, but as you can see, this side looks really good. Cleaned the back tires as well. They shined up super nice and everything. Just give you all kind of a little walk around of the frame here. It looks really good. You know, a lot better than it did. It really just shined up pretty nice. So this was my cleaning process of what I did to the wheels here and on the frame. I did it on everything and it worked very well. I would highly recommend it on anything like this. You use some of this Chemical Guys quick detailer stuff. This is great stuff. So I did on these wheels. I sprayed it on and I just took a rag and just kind of wiped it off. This is like an initial quick wipe down just to kind of get some stuff off. And once you've done that first wipe down, you're not finished, alright? Get you one of these little kind of scrubby pads. I don't really know what you call them. Take some of your quick detailer, kind of like soak it down just a little bit. And then get you some Barkeeper's Friend, alright? I don't know what this stuff is. It's like a powder. That's all I know. Take it, get some of it on your little scrubby thingy. Take your Chemical Guys, spray down a spot on wherever you're cleaning, and then just scrub. Then after you scrub it, just give it a good wipe off. And I don't know if y'all will be able to see this or not. This part has been done with this part right here has been cleaned with the Barkeeper's Friend. This part right here hasn't. Because like the Barkeeper's Friend, it's gonna get all these rust spots here. It's gonna get all this off. This spot has been, this spot hasn't. I don't even know if y'all can tell the difference or not, but I can. I would recommend it if you're doing anything like this. You can see all them little rust spots that was there. They ain't there no more. I mean, obviously it's not perfect. It still has some spots. It's impossible to get it perfect, but just the majority of them is gone. Go ahead and get my wheel back on here. But as you can see, I have everything laid out on the table here, and the motor is ready to go back together. This is only episode 3, and I'm already going to have it back together. It's in a very long series. I'll play some clips here in just a second and show y'all. But there was a lot of metal shavings down in the motor or down and around the crankcase. We flushed that out, just like took some carburetor cleaner, sprayed it in there, and kind of washed it out. I think we're ready to go. Without further ado, let's put this motor back together. That goes in there.
Yo, TikTok, I won't be able to post no more because I broke my phone.
That seems good. There's motor's in. It's not running, but it's in. Obviously, as you can see, the exhaust is not solid. It's just laying there right now, along with the silencer. It's just laying there. We're gonna get that all hooked up tomorrow. But the motor is back in. The throttle's hooked back up. Carburetor's on. I got the ignition coil and spark plug in. It's all wired back up. Clutch is hooked up. Got the chain back on here. I mean, that's quite a bit of progress if you ask me in one day. So tomorrow we'll be back. I'm doing them fancy transitions. All right, when I snap my fingers, it's gonna be tomorrow. All right, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, y'all. It is day 3 of putting this thing back together. We're on like the downhill slide right now. Like we're gonna have it running today, hopefully, if everything goes to plan. We've got to finish putting the exhaust on, put the gas tank on, mix the gas. I want to put the rear fenders back on. I'm not gonna mess with putting the other plastics back on yet. And that'll be it, I believe. We're on the downhill slide. We don't have much left. I'm just gonna quit yapping and let's finish it. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now is I'm going to get the head pipe in place. There's one spring on, but now I have to find the other one because I don't know where it is. Alright, so there's that. This piece here, I think it goes right here, is like well, it like glues on or something, and it broke off. So, yeah. I'll start. Oh. Do you think it's ready? I don't. Should I like kick it like a couple like short times? Is it kind of like what do you need to do? Just, yeah, it's on. Just kick it. Like I don't. Yeah, that's difficult. No. Well, folks, as you can see, it starts, it runs, it moves, and it does it all pretty well. Very happy with that. Kind of surprised that it went this well. I was not expecting it to go this smoothly. The process of, putting this thing back together, getting it started for the first time, it all just went really well, and I'm kind of like surprised. I really wasn't expecting it to go this well. Now, as I'm sure you can tell, it's not finished yet. Like I still have, got to put the front fenders and plastics back on. The exhaust is still kind of hanging here. I didn't put that top bolt in because the pieces broke off, so I'm gonna have to get a new hanger for it. Let's see what else is there to do. I still have to fix the back brakes. They don't work. And then of course I'm gonna do some small cosmetic things. I'm gonna clean up the plastics really well. I didn't do that. I didn't even touch the plastics. But yeah, I'm gonna quit yapping and I'm gonna get the rest of this thing back together because still got a little bit to do. All right, so now we're going to get our front plastics put back on. First of all, we got this piece like that or something. I wish I was laying in a queen size bed with you. I love Gavin Adcock. He's very good. These bolts aren't from it. I don't even know if these were the bolts that were in this spot, but they fit and they are in good condition, so I'm putting them there. I put that in wrong. Gosh darn it! I said in my first video that I would have this thing running by the end of February, and it's December 29th, and this thing runs. That's pretty crazy. The fuel brush to the